Hey everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you are alright. I have got a beauty box for you, and to be honest, I'm very late. I'm better late than never because it's this, the Birchbox Nutcracker edition. How exciting is this? I am a massive Disney fan, and okay, I haven't seen the film yet, but I will be seeing it very soon. And just look at this beautiful box. It's shiny, it's like purpley pink coloured, and it says Disney on it. What more could you want in life? Nutcracker and the Four Realms, the latest Disney film. I'm just super excited, and I think Birchbox must have been over the moon when Disney said, can we partner with you, or whatever, however it came up. I don't know. I don't care. I just love this box. This box is never leaving my collection. So although you may have already seen the unboxing of this, you haven't seen my unboxing, and I haven't seen what is inside mine. And that's exciting for me. But also, Birchbox are doing a bunch of offers at the moment. So right now, this beautiful, beautiful box is actually sold out, which is very sad. But if you order now, you will receive the December box when that comes out, and that's got 7 items in it. So that is very cool. Also, you've got this other option of ordering 2 previous Birchboxes for £5. 2 for £5. Can you imagine? So if you are wanting to stock up on your beauty products, want to give it to someone for Christmas, or just put it in your own stocking, now is the time to do it. So shall we see what is inside this little beauty? Before we do that, I'd love it if you could give me a thumbs up, ring that notification bell. Don't forget, when you're done, you can share this video. And of course, you can subscribe and join my High Def family, because I have still got a giveaway that is open for a whole glossy box that's worth about £70, full of full-size items that I'm just giving away to one of you. Check out my last glossy box video. I'll put a link up here as well, and find out how to enter, because you don't want to miss out. All right, let's get into the video. I'm sorry, I just cannot get over this. Look at it, it's beautiful. This month we're so excited to have teamed up with Disney to celebrate the release of the Nutcracker and the Four Realms. In cinemas now, the story follows Clara as she journeys through a mystical parallel world in search of a secret key. Join all the fun and unlock your inner explorer as we take you on your own beauty adventure with the treats inside your November box. From Snowflake Fresh skincare to dazzling makeup treats, get ready to embrace the magic of beauty and start party season in style. Next month we have either Power or Tidal in Laritzy colours. I know which one I would be picking. The darker of the two, I think. A non-drying matte formula that delivers intense colour and stays put, as the name suggests. And they were £20. So that's not a bad way to kick off the box. The box is £12.95 a month, including P&P. So to get a lipstick is £20 already. You're already winning. Also, I have a link that you can use to get a discount off your first Birchbox, because who wants to pay full price? And you can follow my normal tip where I cancel and reorder and get some kind of discount the following month. I don't know what's going to happen this month, as I'm not sure if I should cancel, because I don't want to miss out on December's box. If it's anything like what's happened with Glossybox and they've sold out of December's already and we're not even there yet, I don't know. Anyway, try that tip again in January, cancel reorder. Right, let's have a look at what's inside our box. Here we go. So this month, I threw all my stuff everywhere. I had an option to get an extra item because I cancelled and reordered, and this was the item, an OPI nail colour. I don't know what this colour is, lavender, to find courage. This is going to go in my giveaway pile. In December, I'm going to be doing a bunch of giveaways. Look out for that as well. Only to loyal subscribers. So get signed into Google, get signed into YouTube, and get subscribed to my channel. You don't want to miss out. And first up, we have this. I'm always so happy to see these space masks. I love this mask. You put it on, well, you undo it, and it's got little loops that go over your ears, and it just heats up, and not too hot, not too cold. It's really soothing and relaxing if you've got a headache, if your eyes are sore and tired, if you just want to go to sleep and you need something to help get you there. This is amazing. And I just like more. Hundreds and hundreds more. This little pouch contains a self-heating eye mask which will transport you to another dimension, relieving tiredness, eye strain and many other earthly tensions. The warmth comes alive as soon as you open it, so make sure you're fully reclined and ready for liftoff. Reach for this relaxing space mask infused with mood-calming jasmine. A thin layer of iron filings inside the mask entwined with oxygen molecules in the air, causing the mask to heat up for soothing results. And relax. Next up, something that you've probably seen a million times. This is a mini size. I would have liked to see a bigger size, but this is Birchbox. Do they ever give us massive sizes? Well, actually, that's not true. They were pretty good last month. They were my favourite last month. But this is quite small, 10ml. Luckily for them, Dr. Pawpaw does go a long way. It's basically a soothing balm, and you can use it on your lips. You can use it to make your face shine, like eyelids, or like as a highlighter. You can use it on wounds. You can use it to moisturise your skin. It's really good. I mostly use it just as a lip balm, especially overnight. You ever like open your mouth too wide and crack the skin at the edges, or go to the dentist? That's the worst. That always gets me, and I find this really helps to soothe that and calm the crack back to normal skin and not pain. Meet Dr. Pawpaw, your does it all balm. The star ingredient is fermented pawpaw, which might sound strange, but boosts natural healing qualities for a multitude of uses. From moisturiser to lip balm and split end sealer to sunburn soother, it calms and soothes skin whenever you need it. Bonus, it's fragrance free. Ooh, have I had this before? Had some stuff from Polar before. I don't know if I've had this. This is Polar Night Revitalising Cream with Boreal Algae. I love their packaging. It's so shiny. Night after night, the skin is smoother and recharged in oxygen. Regenerated and revitalised, the skin seems visibly younger. Alcohol, paraben and mineral oil free. That's always good. Effectively a great night's sleep in a pot. This moisturiser works to brighten your skin overnight. Enriched with Boreal Algae, an ingredient that reacts to the blue light of the moon to boost cell renewal. Okay, fine, but does that mean I need to go and stick my face outside? Does that mean when there's no moon that this won't work? Or underground? What if you're a mole? Okay, moles might not use this, but you know what I mean. Do you have to stick your face in the moon? Tell me. Answers down below, please. You'll wake to a plump, healthy looking complexion. Just apply generously to clean skin before bed. I have actually got a cream. It's from M&S and it's from their own brand range. And it's amazing. It really does make your skin look so much better in the morning. So if this is anything like that, I will be very happy and I will let you know. This is from Manakadar, and this was what we had to choose from last month, which colour we wanted or whether we wanted a random one. And it's Diamond Dust in Pixie. It says you can use it as a bronzer, highlighter, shadow or on lips for a metallic finish. Manakadar is vegan and cruelty free. When I saw this, I was like, really? A little roller ball that's going to have shiny stuff in it? I don't believe it's going to work. So let's see. This looks like that. I'm just rolling on my hand. Oh, that was literally the tiniest roll I've got to do with this hand now. Just ignore what I've got on there already. Look, it's like a snail trail. Oh, okay, it works so much better when you point it downwards. Like, look at that, that's amazing. And even if you rub it and blend it, it still looks like that. Right. Look at that. Oh, I am impressed. It's pointed down, and if you've just pointed it down and then apply it, it will work better. But wow, I was not loving this eyeshadow look that I had on. It was from something I was testing in the last video, but as soon as you add a little bit of sparkle, a bit of inner corner highlight, it's a bit more, hey, we're alive here. It's so shiny. I'm mega impressed with that. This is so cool because you could just take this anywhere in your handbag or whatever, and you could just be like, oh, I've just finished work and suddenly everyone wants to go for drinks. Oh, how do I pep up my look? Oh, with this, oh, I just want to dab something on my inner corner, and it's because it's a really nice round shape. I just could get that straight in there, and often I try and do it with my little finger and it just gets everywhere. But this is like the perfect shape for that. I'm super impressed with this. This has made me so happy. I've gone from a skeptic to a supporter. Add a touch of sparkle and shine to your eyeshadow game with this shimmering treat. The rollable packaging guarantees smooth, easy application and long-lasting colour without any mess or fuss. Just glide it over your eyelids. No brushes required, as you can see. Feeling bold? Experiment by applying to the tops of your cheekbones or over a glossy lip. And I've done that recently, so I would do it again. I'm really impressed. Well done, Manakadar. I like that a lot. Right, our last item is from Marcel, and it looks like this. Really like that packaging. White and gold, very classy. Golden Glow Illuminator, Skin Enhancer, Oil-free, perfume-free, hypoallergenic. Apply this face cream on a clean face, can be worn alone or as a makeup base. Not to be used for children under 3. Well, that's okay. I'm definitely over 3. A smooth, dewy complexion might look effortless, but in reality it's often the work of multiple primers and potions. Thankfully, this multitasking BB cream does the job in one step with minimal effort from you. Just a few dabs blended over clean skin instantly hydrates, soothes, and even skin tone controls shine and boosts radiance. Wow. Well, this is going to be a mini review in the making, because anything that can do all of that in a few dabs is a miracle product. I don't believe it. I'm happy to be proved wrong. This is the colour. So it looks like that's like a goldeny thing. It looks more like a highlighter. It's kind of like a white sheen on my hand. Really? That is gonna, what did it say again? Even my skin tone control, shine and boost radiance, as well as hydrating and soothing. If that can control my shine, because even without, like, I powdered earlier and all of this was less shiny and it's back. Don't believe it. But if it does, then I will eat my words and I will buy some of this. I guess that's what it's all about, testing these products. Okay, I'm just going to do a quick add up and I will be back. After knocking my drink over and causing myself hassle. Oh, why? Why do we do it to ourselves? Anyway, a few things I learned is this: you cannot buy it from the main Manakadar website, you can buy it through Birchbox. Birchbox have it down as 1.5 grams on the website, but 2.5 on this, it says. So I don't know if that is just a misprint somewhere along the line. But I'm going to go with the price that Birchbox are selling it for, as £15 rather than up the price. This actually does count as a full size. It's very sneaky because Dr. Pawpaw are selling this as a full size, I guess, handbag purse version or something. Whatever. And in total it's worth £44.12, which is fantastic. That's like, well, 3 and a bit times the cost of the box. Plus, of course, I got this, which I don't know, is it worth? These OPI ones about £10, £8. Let's say it's at least another £5 to £10. So, that is an excellent value box, and I'm really looking forward to it. I'm going to use everything. I'm loving this shiny stuff. Like, yeah, that is totally blowing me away. Just because it's so simple to use and it's shiny and it works. But overall, this is a good box. I like everything in it. I think that it's come together nicely and I look forward to their Christmas one. Thank you so much for joining me for this month's Birchbox, and I will be back with December's Birchbox, so don't miss it. Get that notification bell on so you never miss an upload. Alright, until we see each other next time, I hope you live everyone well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.